Hey, I'm John, and this is my 2-month update following my meniscus root repair on my left knee. It's a medial meniscus posterior root tear that I had. It was a complete tear, and then they fixed it using the Arthrex procedure. I'll do a video about that in the future. So not a lot to update on, I guess, which is probably good. It was about 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks and a couple days ago, that I was cleared to start bearing weight again after about 6 weeks of no weight bearing. So 6 weeks on crutches. My hands are glad to not be putting all the weight on the crutches anymore. And in general, it's just a lot easier, So it's just nice to, walk over to the fridge, get a drink of water, just be able to move around and everything. Which is obviously a lot harder on crutches. So that's been really nice. I've been taking it pretty easy. I've been trying not to overdo it. The first, couple weeks back, still going to PT. Physical therapy has changed now. I used to be on the table. Before I could walk, we were doing all kind of, more passive things. And so now I'm doing more, like just trying to get the proper gait back and also build some strength. So I'm walking over like these little hurdles, and just trying to have like proper knee movement as I do that. Doing a little bit of lightweight leg extensions on the leg extension machine, little step ups onto like a 3-inch step. We're trying to build that. I feel like I could probably do stairs, and I am doing, at first I was doing just, one leg, same leg up each stair. Now I've started to kind of do both, but what I'll do is when I go to use my left knee to push up on the stair, I'll kind of give a little extra with my right leg too. So it's my left knee's not really taken all the way just yet. But yeah, feeling pretty good. Sometimes I get a slight bit of an ache or whatever in the knee. It's probably no more than a 2, probably a 1 on a scale of 1, to 10. And sometimes I notice I feel like sideways, pressure can be a little bit bothersome. But all in all, really good. I feel in a way kind of like I did a few months after the initial injury. There was, pain and then swelling and stuff. And then it started to feel a little bit loose. It feels a little bit loose right now. And I suspect that's just because it's been swollen for 2 months, and then that's been, decreasing. I continue to see the swelling go down. There's hardly any left now, maybe a little bit like behind the knee, a little bit still. But so I wonder if it's just kind of, the knee adjusting. So I'm hoping that will sort of tighten up a little bit, as we go forward. But yeah, PT's going well. General day-to-day life is going well with just moving about. Not doing any sort of like real exercise yet. So as far as I'm doing my little PT strengthening, but I'm not going for a long walk, for exercise. I'm not obviously jogging or anything like that. That's still, I don't know, a month, 6 weeks out, something like that. This past weekend, so normally, during the work week, I'm at a computer a lot, so I'm not doing a whole lot of walking. This past weekend, definitely did a little bit more. I'm kind of feeling just my leg muscles are a little bit sore from not having walked a ton, so I'm feeling that just a little bit. But yeah, overall good. I feel like each day is a little bit better, and I just kind of, to the point now where there's sometimes when I'm walking around and I just don't think about it. I don't really remember it. So that's good. So, 2 weeks and 2 days back on the walking. And so I hope that just continues. If that continues, that progress for another, week or two, I'd be in really good shape. So, yeah, overall excited, feel good about it. As far as the incision, 2 of the 3 holes you can barely see in my leg. One's healing up a little weird. It looks like it has a little dimple on it or whatever, but they're each just continuing to get a little bit better. One of them does have a little bit of a pull and a little bit of a, when I bend my knee and kind of move it around. I think that the PT says it's just a little scar tissue, healed a little deeper on that one. I don't think it's any major issue, but just something. So anyhow, so 2 months just about post-surgery. I'm like a day or two early on this. And 2 weeks past the 6-week non-weight bearing period. So that's where I'm at. Just a little over 8 weeks total. Feeling pretty good. So excited for, where I'm at, let's say next month, when I do a 3-month update. I think that's all I'm going to do at this point now. I was doing weekly. I'll probably do monthly now. So I'll do a 3-month update and, 4, 5, and 6, and then we'll kind of see. So, all right. Thanks. See you. Bye.